It's pretty simple.
All he did was, you have to change the oil or something.
Yeah, right. You take it in to do that. No, well, it's not even turning on. Where would that be? In the front?
So if nothing's coming on, what do you think that means?
It's electrical.
So where do you need to look first?
I have no idea. I don't know where anything is located in cars.
So do you think it's just the starter, or do you think it's just everything?
I don't even know what a starter is.
Is it just the button, or is it all electrical? Try everything. Try the doors are electric, the locks are electric, everything.
Everything electrical isn't working.
So what does everything electrical come from?
When Neymar has a toy, it doesn't work.
The electrical isn't
The
working.
battery?
The battery, good job. Okay, so the battery's not working. Now you need to figure out how to get to the battery.
The front. How do you open it? I don't know.